Victor, this topic is about mentoring people in writing. What works and what doesn't? Your experiences, please.
My experience has been if the workshop is too structured, it does not work. It has to depend on what the people who are at the workshop, what they want to do, what their interests are. So I like to improvise as we go along, and also not to restrict it. It happened in Mauritius when the government there asked me to conduct a week-long workshop. They had said not more than 25. And I said, all right, we'll have 25, but let's have auditors around. And we wound up with 75 people. And they all took part in the workshop without interfering with what was happening with the core group.
Yeah.
So we had the same knowledge being shared, and what happened is that the energy got multiplied.
I see.
Yeah, because there was so much excitement from everybody. And they began writing. We saw them writing. They were writing very fast.
Right.
It wasn't tentative.
Yeah.
The same thing happens in Goa when we have workshops here.
Right. Carry on.
Yeah. One of the things that I do say and that bore fruit in Goa, somebody asked the question, how will I become a writer? And I said, you don't have to wait to become a writer, you've got to start writing now. So when you go home, pick up your pad of paper and start writing right away.
How would you, sorry.
Yeah, and one of the person who took that to heart was Willie Goes,
I see.
who has published several books in Konkani.
How would you rate the different forms of mentoring, maybe online, maybe, contact programs spread over a long period of time, or maybe a 1 week intense program? What would you think to be the most suitable? Is there anything that's more suitable?
The online mentoring is really it's tricky because you don't know the person at the other end.
Yeah.
Where Fairleigh Dickinson is concerned, I made the assumption that one particular writer that I was dealing with was a very young person. He turned out to be in his mid-50s and had also been published.
Yeah.
So one can't tell, that's the danger. If you are faced with a group of people, then you get a better feel of where they are in their own situation. And of course, if it's a week-long session, then you have a continuity that builds, the skills can build, and you can get much better results then.
So which was your most, most liked mentoring program and why?
The ones in Goa, because of the fact that now we have a writers group that is functioning, that is producing a lot of good writing, and they are planning to produce a book right now of their own writing.
You can see the fruit of it.
I can see the fruit, and they can see results.
That's true.
And I think that because of the enthusiasm of the members of the group, that is, they feel encouraged, they feel empowered.
Yeah. But mentoring is something that works especially well for writing or in just about in any field?
It can work in any field.
Yeah.
Absolutely. But there has to be a rapport and there has to be an understanding on the part of the mentor that one does not put down anybody. I'll go to a related field, music.
Yeah.
The most brilliant teacher of violinists was a woman in New York whom we knew personally, and we watched her for years at the Aspen Music Festival. She could not play the violin herself as well as her students, but she never criticized them. She never said, this is stupid, you're doing things wrong. She would pick up the violin and say to the young person, do it this way, sweetie, try it this way, see what happens. And say, sweetie, rather than you stupid ass, why don't you listen to me, to what I've got to say? The kind of put-downs that we hear here all the time.
At one level, it's all about building self-esteem and self-confidence.
Absolutely.
And our society in Goa is not given to that. Would you agree with me?
I think so. You're absolutely right. We feel it's called the crab complex, isn't it?
Yeah. But we are particularly strong at being negative, being critical. Right? Anyway, but I think personally you've done a lot on that field, and we are all grateful on that score. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.